As India is carrying out internal trials of its 25-ton Jorawa light tank, China has unveiled a new light tank that weighs 40 tons and features an unmanned turret with a 105mm gun and automatic loading mechanism. US Ambassador to India Eric Garcetti has proposed to develop a quad satellite involving the partnership of India and the US. Kongsberg Maritime has opened a new facility in Kochi Maritime Park to enhance customer support and prepare for future assembly of its water jets. Google's Wing LLC is in discussions to establish a drone production facility in Tamil Nadu that will be exported to US, Australia and other countries. Indian Army and Indian Air Force conducted a Special Heliborne Operation with the French Army as part of the exercise Shakti. INS Kiltan anti-submarine warfare corvette has arrived in Brunei as part of its operational deployment to the South China Sea. HAL has delivered 15 RD-33 engines within a month of signature of a 5,300 crore rupees contract, as the Air Force is looking to extend the service life of MiG-29 fighter jets to 2037. The Aeronautical Development Agency had proposed a 16.5-ton single-engine naval Tejas Mark II with more powerful F-414 engines to the Indian Navy in 2019. However, concerns regarding the safety of single-engine fighter operations on aircraft carriers led to its rejection. HAL soon proposed a solution to tackle this safety concern by incorporating twin engines on an existing Tejas Mark I platform, but the HAL proposed fighter would be heavier than the rejected naval Tejas Mark II. The Navy decided that the TED-BF will meet its requirements better, but its development timeline might be longer due to its fresh design approach. According to a media report, the first flight of AMCA will take some time after its rollout in 2026, as the aircraft incorporates cutting-edge technologies that require rigorous testing and military certification before taking flight. A series of crucial internal systems will undergo ground testing and certification before the AMCA takes to the skies for its maiden flight, and this comprehensive approach ensures the aircraft's safety and reliability during its developmental flight program. After reports that 6 P-75I submarines will not feature vertical launch system, experts have said that traditional launchers require submarine surfacing to launch missiles that compromises submarine stealth, while vertical launch system maintains discretion by submerged launches of multiple missiles in quick succession from a wider range of launch angles. India's existing Brahmos and near-bay missiles could have been integrated into the P-75I submarines with a VLS system, as well as future advancements like hypersonic missile technology. After receiving a project sanction order last year, the DRDO has begun work on a next-generation air defense system known as Laser Beam Riding Man-Portable Air Defense System. The prototype testing of the man-portable system will be completed by the end of 2024, and the project aims to develop and deliver 200 launchers and 1,200 laser beam riding missiles to the Indian Army with an estimated value of 4,800 crore rupees. Today's top 3 comments.